First you have to go on the WPS office in your mobile if it's not downloaded. So first you have to go on the Play Store application already present in your mobile. So in the Play Store type WPS office, and when it's open, yeah, this one app. This app you have to download in mobile. I am already using, so its option is open. Otherwise the option will be install, so you can install in your mobile. So I'm going to open it. So let me open, and when it will open you can create a PDF, Excel, Word, everything is there. So you can so first let me close this ad. You can close, and now you can see the plus option is there. So you have to click on the bottom side. So you can see the options is there: document, presentation, spreadsheet, PDF. So whatever you want to create you can. So I'm going to create the spreadsheet program and Excel program. So I'm choosing spreadsheet. So new spreadsheet. So there's the different templates are also there. Otherwise you can choose the blank one. So if you want to choose any templates, कोई इसमें से आपको template पसंद आ रहा है, otherwise you can choose the blank. So when you are using the blank one, you can practice the sum function, average function, max, minimum, count, count a. So whatever the function and formula, now you can write. So let me write some numbers. So let me write. So now you can write 12. Okay. And so now I'm writing. If I want to write any formula to add these numbers, so you can write equal to sign, and then you can use the name of the first cell, that is A4. So you can write A4, A4, and then you can write plus, and the last cell you can write next one A5 plus, write A5, A5, then you can add A6, then you can add A7, and when you press enter, yeah, you can see the addition is there. 95 is the addition of these numbers. So you can use sum function also. You have to write equal to, first, then sum function, and in sum function you can write A4, and you can use semicolon, colon, and then write the last one, that is A7, and when you press enter, you can see the addition of these numbers. So you can practice more formula and function in this method. So you have to follow this method, and when it's done you can click on the save button on top left corner, and you can save in phone if you want, like homework. If you want to complete the homework, so you can write the name homework and you can save in your mobile. And when you have to upload in the classroom, you have to click the add work option and upload this file on this assignment. वहाँ पे जाके आपको assignment में ये file अपनी open कर लेनी है, upload कर देनी है. So that is the method. You can create an Excel file in the class. In Excel file you can practice the function and formula in Excel in your mobile also. So don't confuse, don't hesitate if you don't having a computer or laptop at your home. So you can even practice in mobile also. Okay, thank you.